So today's Tuesday tip, we are discussing our new service. We wanted to go over the highlights of our Christmas lighting packages and our Christmas design package. So I want to give you a couple of things. We had some people say, hey, what does that look like? What does that entail? So we wanted to give you some details of that. So this year in 2019, we've decided to hang Christmas lights for people. We know that everybody's got the Griswold family Christmas, or some people just don't have the time. Some people have fallen off a ladder, so we've provided that service for you. We wanted to go over a couple of those details. So we've used some specialized clips in doing our homework on the different services. So here's one of our clips. This is what we call an all-in-one clip. An all-in-one clip allows us to be able to stick it on the side of the gutter like this. It also allows us to stick it under the shingle so that the light bulb is sticking up, so that we actually don't have to put any nails, screws, or anything on your actual home in order to be able to do that. So one of the other things that we are using this year is we have this large Christmas wreath. This is a large lit garland Christmas wreath that we have and we're using as a service. You can tell this Christmas wreath has 100 mini LED lights on it. So that wreath has the ability to be seen from a long distance as well. The other thing that we're using is we're using a 6-inch 9-foot long garland, so with 100 mini lights in it as well. And so that garland can actually be hung on a pole, or it can be put on the front door, around the front door, so that it gives you that lighting accent of those Christmas wreath and that garland during that time frame during the holiday season. Another thing that we're doing this year is we're using these large red bows on our wreath and different areas of our service. We don't want to use a little bitty peony small wreath and small bow. We use a big wreath and a big bow so that it gives you that beauty and that look that we're looking for. All of our bows are velvet, so they're made of high quality material, high quality products, so that we're not out there having to replace them, or they're not out there all destroyed after a season. And what we'll do is we'll bring these high quality products and we'll look at your home, and then we create a design for your home. So we'll say, let's put lights on the fascia. We'll put lights on the ridge of the top of the home, and then we'll come up with a design for the garland and the wreath and those kind of services to make that home have that Christmas holiday pop. We can specialize. So if you want white lights, we can do white lights. If you want mixed colored lights like a green, red, and those mixture, we can do that as well. So that house is customized, that package is customized specifically to your home and to your needs or your desires or your look. And then we take and we actually put those lights on your home, and we cut them and customize them specifically for your home. Then we maintain those lights for the season. So if the bulbs go out, or something goes wrong, or it doesn't work, or whatever reason, we'll come back and make the repairs to those lights for you. Then at the end of the holiday season, once the holiday is done, you've exhausted from the family coming into town, we will then come out in January and take all those Christmas lights down for you. And then we'll package them up into a nice container with instructions and those kind of things and details. And then we will actually store those in our facility for you, or we can leave them at your home and let you store those at your personal residence. Then 2020 comes around, the next year, we're able to come out and put those lights right back up on your house, and then you've automatically got instant lights, and it's done and it's taken care of, and it's customized specifically to your home. The only additional cost at that time is the additional labor to put it up, and then any repairs that need to be made, like replacement of bulbs or replacement of a timer, or that pesky landscape guy mowed and cut up your extension cord. We'll replace those for you as well. And so that kind of gives you a brief overview of our new service. We'll have some photos that will be coming out in the next few weeks. We'll have some Facebook stuff as we do this process and get some homes going. But wanted to kind of give you an idea of an overview. And somebody asked me the other day on Facebook, and they said, well, what's the cost of that service? Well, that cost of that service depends on the customization of what you want to do at your home. So my house may be one price and someone else's house may be a different, because we may have two different things. And so this service is very customized to your specific needs and your specific desires and the specific look that you want for the holiday season. So, hey, if you're interested, we give free estimates. We'll be more than happy to come out and show you some of our options. So if you're interested in that service, give us a call, and we look forward to seeing you next time.